There you go.
here.
All right. So
Looking
start
forward.
paddling. Keep your back up. Back up. There you go. All right.
1,
Long, light,
2,
deep strokes.
3.
And up.
Knee over, leg over here.
Yeah. Try to stay down. Down. What you do? Slide this foot in first. So you bend your knee. There you go. Not too far. All right. Keep it in the middle of the board. Now push your body up. And slide the front foot in. No, the other foot.
Okay. Okay, so that's there.
Yes, push up. Alright. Okay, so imagine your board to be your boyfriend, okay? You're not gonna jump at your boyfriend, you're gonna be very gentle with your boyfriend.
Yeah.
So, very important thing to keep in mind is to keep always your center of gravity, which is like right there in the middle of your chest, in the middle of your board, okay? So try to avoid when you're popping up, going to a side, or leaning too far backward or forward, okay? So if you can imagine that center of gravity to stay in the middle of your board, it's very important. Okay, let's try it one more time.